Go. Stop.
It does what?
I don't see the orange being squeezed.
Instant of juice that
Oh yeah, no, I do
alcohol
see
will
it.
come.
I do see it.
That's alcohol will come. That's will be a whiskey or something else, even stronger.
Vodka. This is Poland.
Vodka, Polish vodka. Yeah. Oh yeah, this will be fine.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Is
Yeah.
it clever?
It's pretty interesting. All
Done.
right, how does it taste?
I don't know, may I?
Yes.
No. Yeah, it tastes like a fresh orange.
Would you like?
No, thank you though.
You hate oranges.
I don't hate. I don't like orange juice. I like
Uh-huh.
grapefruit juice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes, you are the lucky one, aren't you?
You want? 50-50.